Really cool accessory from the 3D brand. I'm telling you, just to let you know, these accessories aren't just for the Audi A3, they're for Audi RS, they're for several models, all cars with RS grills. They can make this model here so you can put your license plate holder. It's kind of a delete plate, so that's really cool. We also have this holder for some other car models, so we have it for the Volkswagen line too, even for cars that don't have this grille here, right, like the Comea. We also have this holder adapted for other cars and their holder is really cool. I'm going to show you how to install it. A very simple, very easy and very fast installation. And the result with this product is also really cool, and I'm telling you, they produce several really cool products there, all in 3D. And besides that, they don't just make license plate holders, they have many other cool products there. Even for Audi and Golf, they have an air outlet there to put a pressure gauge, among many other things. Okay, so let's get to the practical part. We'll show you how to install the product and, of course, we'll show you the final result. Okay, so that's it, let's get to the installation. Well, guys, I'm going to show you the product up close, okay? It's this one. I'm going to show you up close how to install it. Oh, and I'm reminding you that one of the cool things is that we can, at events, remove the license plate from the car. So, for example, here, look, what are we going to do? We're going to take it, we're going to fit the plate here and we're going to push it, slide it to the other side, okay? I'm going to take another plate, because since this one here is from my car and it's a little crooked, it's much harder for us to fit it here in the holder. I'm reminding you that this plate holder, they also have this plate holder, both for Euro plates, right, and for the plates and the new European plates, as well as the old plates. In this case, this is a plate that I have to use as a model for you, so we can put it here, right? Yes, you can see that it is a little smaller, but this holder is already made for the new plate and for the old one, which is mine. So what are you going to do? You are going to take it, place it here in the corner, push it and fit it in. It's just like that. And one of the cool things is, when you want to take a picture of the car without the plate and also have the complete grille there on display, right? Which looks much nicer for us to take a cool photo of the car and such. And what's really cool is that we can remove the plate in a simple, quick and easy way and make the car look nice too or at events, among many other things. Okay, guys, so, if you're interested in this holder, or in other accessories, all made in 3D, give the guys at 3D a call, because they have a lot of cool stuff and you'll also get a discount coupon, okay? I'll leave the discount coupon in the entire video here for you with the name and I'll leave the website and the link in the description. Okay, guys?